Welcome back to Next Gen Auto, the place where future mobility meets real-world performance. If you love powerful machines, premium comfort, and the latest in two-wheel technology, you are in the right place. Today we are diving deep into one of the most legendary touring motorcycles ever made, the 2026 Honda Goldwing, a bike that continues to set the standard for luxury, performance, and long-distance riding excellence. The 2026 Honda Goldwing is not just a motorcycle, it is a statement. From the moment you see it, the bold aerodynamic bodywork and refined lines tell you this machine is built for serious riders who want both style and comfort. Honda has kept the iconic look of the Goldwing while giving it a more modern and aggressive touch. The front fairing is sharper, the LED lighting is more advanced, and every curve has been designed to cut through the air smoothly. Whether it is parked outside a cafe or cruising on a highway, the Goldwing always stands out. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Goldwing is its powerful engine. Honda continues to use the legendary 1833cc six-cylinder engine, but for 2026 it has been fine-tuned for even better efficiency and smoother power delivery. This engine produces strong torque at low speeds and thrilling acceleration when you twist the throttle. What makes this engine special is not just the power, but how smooth and quiet it feels. You can ride for hours without feeling tired or stressed, which is exactly what a touring bike should offer. The transmission options also make the Goldwing even more appealing. Riders can choose between a traditional 6-speed manual or Honda's advanced 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The DCT system shifts gears automatically and smoothly, making city riding and long highway trips effortless. You can also switch to manual mode when you want more control, which is perfect for riders who enjoy a more engaging experience. This flexibility makes the 2026 Honda Goldwing suitable for both relaxed cruising and more spirited riding. Comfort is where the Goldwing truly shines. Honda has redesigned the seat and riding position to provide better support for both the rider and passenger. The seat is wider, softer, and more supportive, making long-distance journeys feel easy. The passenger seat is just as comfortable, with a backrest that offers excellent support. This makes the Goldwing one of the best motorcycles for two-up riding, whether you are going on a weekend trip or a cross-country adventure. The suspension system has also been upgraded for 2026. Honda uses an advanced front double wishbone suspension that keeps the bike stable and smooth, even on rough roads. The rear suspension adjusts automatically based on the load, so whether you are riding alone or carrying a passenger and luggage, the bike always feels balanced. This means better handling, more confidence in corners, and a smoother ride overall. Technology is another area where the 2026 Honda Goldwing takes the lead. The large digital display is clear, colorful, and easy to read in all lighting conditions. It supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to connect your smartphone for navigation, music, and calls. You can control everything using the buttons on the handlebars, so you never have to take your hands off the grips. This level of integration makes every ride more enjoyable and more convenient. Honda has also improved the audio system, delivering rich and clear sound even at high speeds. Whether you are listening to music, podcasts, or GPS directions, the sound quality is excellent. The Bluetooth connectivity allows you to connect your helmet headset, so you can talk to your passenger or other riders while staying connected to your phone. Safety is a top priority in the 2026 Goldwing. Honda includes advanced rider aids such as traction control, ABS, and multiple riding modes. These modes adjust the throttle response, suspension, and traction control to match different riding conditions. Whether you are riding in rain, on the highway, or through winding mountain roads, the Goldwing adapts to keep you safe and comfortable. Honda's braking system is powerful and precise, giving you confidence in every situation. Another feature that touring riders will love is the storage. The Goldwing comes with large saddlebags and a top trunk that can easily hold helmets, luggage, and travel gear. The compartments are designed to be easy to open and close, even when wearing gloves. This makes packing for a long trip simple and stress-free. The 2026 Honda Goldwing is also surprisingly easy to ride for such a big motorcycle. Honda has worked hard to reduce weight and improve balance, so the bike feels stable and manageable at low speeds. This is especially helpful when parking, making U-turns, or riding in traffic. Once you are on the open road, the Goldwing feels planted and confident, making every mile enjoyable. Here at Next Gen Auto, we always look for vehicles that truly represent the future of mobility, and the 2026 Honda Goldwing is a perfect example. It combines classic touring luxury with modern technology and powerful performance. Whether you are a longtime Goldwing fan or someone looking to upgrade to a premium touring bike, this model offers something truly special. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda Goldwing continues to be the king of touring motorcycles. With its smooth and powerful engine, advanced technology, unmatched comfort, and legendary reliability, it remains the top choice for riders who want the best. Honda has taken everything people love about the Goldwing and made it even better for 2026. If you dream of endless highways, beautiful landscapes, and comfortable long-distance rides, this motorcycle is built for you. Thanks for watching Next Gen Auto. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more exciting reviews of the latest vehicles, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring the future of mobility with Next Gen Auto.